Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile password on HarmonWeb. Let's get started. Log into your HarmonWeb account. From your HarmonWeb account, you click on your profile option here. Now this is my profile option. You click on it. Now you click on change password. Choose the new password that you want to use. Here I will input my old password, and also you input the new password you want to make use of, and you scroll up and confirm your new password. When you're done, you click on the save changes option. With this, our profile password has been changed successfully. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any question, leave them at the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.